Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ArdhiSasa tutorial on the registration of a company. The registration of a company is initiated by any member of the public. So the first thing is to open your browser of choice and type ardhisasa.lands.go.ke. Once you land on the home page, on the top right side of the page you'll see a registration button next to the login button. Click on the registration button where you will have the options of either individual or company registration. Choose company registration, then you'll be directed to a page displaying registration requirements. As you can see, there are fields that you'll be required to fill under the registration detail page. For starters, you'll fill in the name of your company, and in our case, our company name is ArdhiSasa Limited. You will then enter the registration number of your company as is on your certificate of incorporation. Then, choose the company country of incorporation, and in our case, it is Kenya. A key thing to note is that these three fields are marked with an asterisk sign, meaning that they are mandatory and failure to fill in these details will result in incomplete registration of a company. The next field is the KRA PIN of your company. It is important to note that the KRA PIN of your company is different from the owner or directors of the company. So in this case, enter the KRA PIN of the company being registered. Finally, fill in the physical address and the postal address of your company. After filling in the registration details, click on Verify. The details field will be verified as per the records of the business registration services, and if the details are correct, you will get a notification to proceed to the next step, which is phone number verification. Here, you are required to choose the country of your company's phone number, and in our case, it is Kenya. Proceed to enter the company's phone number. After keying in your company's phone number, click on the Get OTP button, and a one-time passcode will be sent to the phone number you've provided. Once you receive the OTP, enter the code and click Verify. After verifying, a system pop-up will appear notifying you that the phone number has been verified successfully. The next step is email verification. Enter the email address of your company and click on the Get OTP button, and the one-time passcode will be sent to the email you have provided. So log into your email and click on the specific email containing the OTP code, then type in the exact code to the OTP prompt box and then click Verify. And if successful, you will get a system notification, email verified successfully. It is important to note that the email address and phone number provided will be used for all the communications from the system to the company. Therefore, it is very key to provide contact information that will be accessible to those running the company account. It should also be noted that the actions taken on applications made for and by the company will be undertaken in the individual accounts of the directors of the company as listed in the Business Registration Service system. Finally, you will be required to input a password that will be used for your login. Proceed to enter your password. A key thing to note is that the password must be of at least 8 characters, must contain at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character. If not, then the password is invalid. This is a measure for choosing a secure password. So once you have confirmed your password, confirm the checkbox of the terms and conditions and click Register. We encourage you to read and understand the terms and conditions. You will then get a system notification that you have successfully registered, and subsequently you will be sent an ArdhiSasa ID to the phone number and email you registered with. You will then be directed to the login page. As you can see, you are required to fill in your identification number or your ArdhiSasa ID and your password. Proceed to input the ArdhiSasa ID as well as your password, then click Continue. An OTP will be sent to your phone, so type in the code in the OTP prompt box and click Login. You are now logged into your account with the name of your company on the left side. The next step is to finish setting up your account. So navigate on the Account tab on the left side of your screen and you will see the account setting. As you can see, there are 2 steps remaining to finish setting up your account. These are the security questions and the identifications documents. You are advised to fill in the security questions so that in case your account is compromised, you will be able to verify your identity through the answers to the security questions. After you have successfully set your security questions, the last step is to upload identification documents which are relevant to the company. So proceed to choose the identification type of the document you wish to upload, and in our case, we will upload the registration certificate. So enter the registration number and choose the file from your local machine and click Add. If you have successfully added the file, it reflects on the right side of your screen bearing the type of document being uploaded. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will only upload the certificate of registration, and as you can see, the file has been added. If you wish to change the document or if you chose the wrong file to upload, you can click on the Remove button and add the right document that you wish to upload. The Act number document upload is relevant to government ministries, departments and agencies which have registered on the system. If you are satisfied that the documents are the correct ones, click Submit Documents and your documents will be successfully uploaded. That's it for this tutorial on the registration of a company. In case of any challenge during the registration of your company, contact customer support for help. Feel free to give feedback on this tutorial in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button alongside the subscription button to get notifications on new videos as and when we post them. Thanks for watching and goodbye.